My father, question is, my father doesn't listen to me and wants to go to the masjid. He keeps going, and he's questioning what else should he do. If he can't go to the masjid, should he just stay at home and die on the sofa? And how can I advise my father who's in this state of mind? So of course the elderly, of course, have an attachment to the masjid that maybe others don't have, and it's something which they do maybe on a daily basis, 3 or 4 or 5 times a day, coming to the masjid, and that's something that they do. They don't have those responsibilities that the young have, and so they're able to come to the masjid, and they have this attachment to the masjid that maybe others don't have, and of course that's something which is praiseworthy. At the same time, the elders should also understand that this is something which is a serious illness, it's a serious disease, it's something which is infectious, it's something which, if, like we mentioned, a person doesn't do his due diligence and doesn't do whatever he physically can to protect himself from that virus, then it potentially could affect him, and he could end up also being affected and infected by this disease, and he could end up dying as a result of this. And we ask Allah to protect all of our communities in this regard. And the best thing you can do is just keep on advising him with softness and with wisdom. And being harsh might make him more adamant to try to come to the masjid, even more so. So just giving them that advice, be gentle with them, and do whatever you can to prevent them from coming to the masjid. If they're old and they have health issues, then our parents should be told and advised to stay at home and do whatever you can, while at the same time being respectful and being good to our parents. And of course the elderly have this attachment to the masjid, and they're also quite stubborn, and so that's the last thing they're going to do. They're going to try their best, generally speaking, not everyone, but some of them, they'll try their best to continue to come to the masjid. We try to do what we can to try to prevent them and stop them from coming to the masjid, and doing what we can to make them understand the seriousness of the situation. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. With that, inshallah, we're going to conclude. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu